Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your LoanDepot account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in LoanDepot, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as loandepot.com. In my case, it's the first one. Then to log into LoanDepot, tap on this login button which is on the top navigation bar. And now you need to choose your login option, whether you're looking for loan services, loan application, HELOC application, home search, or credit monitoring. Then to log in, tap on the login button. And now you will be facing a form asking for your email address and your password. So go ahead and type your email address in the text field given for email address. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your password correct or not. If you don't have an account in LoanDepot, you can create one by tapping on this button that says Register Now. And guys, we are almost there. To log into LoanDepot, all you gotta do is tap on the Sign In button and you will be successfully logged in if your credentials are correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel, TechUp. Feel free to drop any of your questions in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.